Hello YouTubers, today we're gonna talk about the Honda Odyssey again. It has a brake light problem and we're gonna fix it. Stay tuned. You are watching Sensei Tech Master channel. If you notice this in your display cluster, it lit up and it won't turn off. That's an indicator that one of your brake light is burnt out. Before you start, you need the following: a brake light bulb with a part number indicated in the picture, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. Without further ado, let's begin. First things first, grab a stick or anything to jam the brakes. In my case, I'm using the windshield scraper. Now, check the back and see which taillight is not lighting up, and that's the taillight bulb that you're gonna replace. Next, grab a flathead screwdriver and pry the lid. Next, unscrew the bolt with a Phillips screwdriver. Grab your flathead screwdriver again and some clean cloth, and now pry the other end of the taillight. Now flip over the taillight and grab your bulb. Make sure you don't touch the bulb itself while you're putting it in. The next thing you're gonna do is you go inside your vehicle and press the brakes a couple of times to make sure the bulb lit up. To put the bulb in, align the notch on the socket and twist it counterclockwise. Align the plastic pin as indicated in the video. Line them up and give it a push. Now, screw the bolt back and close the lid, and that's it. You are done. There you go YouTubers, I fixed the van. See how easy it is. If I can do it, you can do it. So, for now, peace out! Thank you for watching. Please, leave a comment down below, and if you want to watch more of my videos, click the link on top, and always don't forget to like and subscribe.